So every few weeks we come and this ditch has either been dug out or the graders pushed everything and covered stuff along this zone. So right where you go around the corner is sort of where you stop seeing any kind of notable mineralization other than the occasional bit of disseminated pyrite. All throughout here we've dug holes, we've taken chips off of bedrock. It's all sporadic in this area. But there's some really nice chalcopyrite and pyrite, minor pyrrhotite, and assays and XRFs show good values for gold, silver, copper. You got a bit of zinc in there as well. As you make your way this way, anywhere you see oxidized bedrock, like that, along here you can chip out little pieces of chalcopyrite. You can see malachite staining there. These are just pieces I chipped off from here. You have a little bit of a vein going through here, which leads this way. You got more oxidized rock all over here. You got pieces of rock with mineralization. You can see chalcopyrite. This was all chipped out of here. You can see this continues that way. So this whole area, you have sporadic mineralization, some nice samples. We pulled out some 5-10 kilogram samples of solid mineral. And as you get farther into the road, you can see how the road's widened here. Well, this is actually covering a massive block of chalcopyrite. So I've dug a few holes just to show you, just small ones to bedrock, or ones where I found samples. You can see we're right near that little vein there, and a bit of chalcopyrite there. So what you have is a 10 meter long by 1.5 meter wide solid body of chalcopyrite primarily, but I am seeing some pyrite and pyrrhotite in these. So this was just dug out of this hole here. All these came out of here. You can see again your oxidized bedrock. Over here, another nice area here where it's mineralized. Again, you have chalcopyrite and iron pyrite. So this right here is just all solid mineral. So some of this actually looks like it's arsenopyrite as well, which is kind of indicative of some of the samples we found on the road. Moving over a little bit more, dug out here, chipped out from here, another solid piece. It's good chalcopyrite. So this will run about probably 8 to 10% copper. You'll have a good 400 or 500 grams per ton silver and up to 5, 6, 7 grams per ton gold. If you get some arsenopyrite in there, the gold gets a bit better as well. You can see the quartz in there. Again, more pieces from in here. Going over here, this was just a sample we dug out here. There's no bedrock, but you can see quartz and arsenopyrite, and these samples are the ones that show the highest gold. Then if you continue down here, you find more sporadic samples. And this area is kind of where you start seeing a lot of grab samples with arsenopyrite. Like this. But you still see chalcopyrite. These are all samples that we just found in the ditch here. Again, some nice arsenopyrite. A few more samples right here too. And if you take a look at this, this is a piece of host rock from just down the road. This is your typical host rock. You see mineralization. These are sphalerite veins right here with pyrite. And this is a gray silicous rock. It's almost quartz-like, but not quite. So that's the zone right here. 10-meter block of sulfides, high grade. So in all reality, since everything is striking this way, this could actually extend all the way underneath the road, and it could just be covered by 3 feet of road fill. It was nice to expose a little bit more in the road, get a better idea of the size of this showing. But that's it. That's all the time we have for today. We'll see you guys later.